Thank you for taking the time to learn about SupplierWatch. SupplierWatch is a supply chain risk management platform that can be utilized to reduce exposure to liability, manage third-party risk, monitor and manage your supply chain, ensure high business continuity, and track continuous improvement. For today's brief overview, we'll cover some of the highlights of the platform. However, please note that the terminology we use today, such as supplier and third party, can easily be changed to partner, associate, or any other verbiage or naming convention that you currently use. SupplierWatch can be used to determine the security and regulatory compliance of your supply chain with survey content for CTPAT, AEO, NFPA 1600, industrial physical security, or any others that you require. The SupplierWatch workflow begins with creating a profile for the supplier that you want to evaluate. Next, you'll add survey questions that are appropriate for the assessment. Remember that we can provide these for you, and you can customize any of our provided content. Then you'll create and complete your assessments. Upon completion, you'll be able to assign tasks and manage remediation to mitigate your supplier risk. Finally, automated reporting and analytics will help you visualize and organize your assessment results and set you up for your follow-up assessments. From the dashboard, you're able to do powerful, comparative analytics and generate reports identifying risk for a single supplier, suppliers within an organizational unit, time frame, or other customizable groupings. You can easily visualize the progress being made on the assessments by your personnel or supplier respondents. SupplierWatch manages customizable automated email reminders to both the assessment administrators and the survey respondents. You can create an assessment for an individual supplier or groups of suppliers that must meet similar requirements. Our content libraries are provided out of the box for use in your assessments, or you can upload your own supply chain standards into the application. SupplierWatch can be configured to automatically pull data from our partners, internal databases, or other sources. Provide objective information to set metrics across your assessments. If you're not performing a security assessment, pull data from an internal CMDB or another source. As responses are provided to a survey, analysis of those responses occurs automatically, adjusting and updating a real-time risk score for each member of your supply chain. Manage automated remediation through the use of a recommendations register, or assign tasks manually based on the responses to your survey. You can use our customizable reporting templates to have any report come out of the application instantly. There's no need to spend countless hours collecting data from different sources and then manually writing your report. Simply click Generate and out comes a polished report, populated with data and ready for review. Monitor assessments and action items by using our dashboard. Here, you'll see the current status of assessments or activities and track how supply chain risk is reducing or supplier compliance is improving over time. When it's time for the next assessment, use our cloning workflow to reuse question data, recommendations, and remedial tasks from your last assessment. SupplierWatch standardizes your assessment functions, providing trending analysis and benchmarking of data over time. SupplierWatch is the complete supply chain risk management toolbox, capable of saving you up to 80% of the time that you spend evaluating suppliers. Schedule a call or a demonstration today to discuss how we can help you improve your program using SupplierWatch.